11-inch large-screen multi-functional sound level meter. The 4-in-1 decibel meter can monitor noise, time, temp, humidity. Decibel level measuring range 30 to 130 dBA. High accuracy, positive and negative poles 1 to 5 dBA. Temperature range 14-122 F. Humidity range 20-85. Sound level meter can be powered by a lithium battery or connected via a USB cable, simple to install and easy to operate. Power on-off button, press once to turn on, press again to turn off. Celsius and Fahrenheit conversion. When setting the status, press the down button. When setting the status, press the up button. Set the time and date buttons, press once to flash the month, press again to flash the date. Place the positioning sticker on the wall, drive screw set the marked locations, hang the Decibel meter on the screw. It can be placed such as living rooms, classrooms, studios, etc., or it can be used outdoors, on major traffic routes and construction sites.